is not as widely adopted as it could be is the installation cost. Solar panels and the equipment needed to connect them to the grid can be expensive, and this has been a significant barrier for many people. However, government subsidies can help to make solar energy more affordable by reducing the cost of the installation. When governments offer subsidies for solar panel installation, they are essentially reducing the amount of money that homeowners and businesses need to pay up front. These can make solar energy more accessible to a wide range of people, and it can make it more financially viable for those who have not considered it before. For example, a government subsidy could cover a portion of the cost of the solar panels, the installation, and the grid connection. When governments offer to subsidize, they essentially provide a financial incentive for people to invest in solar energy. This can make solar energy more attractive to investors, as they're more likely to see a return on their investment when there is government support. This can lead to more investment in the solar energy sector, which in turn can lead to the development of new technologies and a wider range of products that are more affordable and accessible to the general public. Government subsidies can also help to make it more reliable. They can also provide funds for research and development, which can lead to the development of more advanced solar technologies. These technologies can be more efficient, durable, and reliable than older technologies, which can help to make solar energy more attractive to homeowners and businesses. For instance, new technologies like bifacial solar panels and smart inverters are developed to improve the efficiency and reliability of solar energy systems. Bifacial solar panels are designed to capture sunlight on both sides, which increases their energy output by up to 30%. This can help to reduce the cost of electricity generated by solar energy systems, making them more affordable and attractive to homeowners and businesses. Furthermore, government subsidies can also help to create jobs in the solar energy sector. When governments offer subsidies, they can also provide funds for the installation and maintenance of solar panels. This can create jobs for electricians, engineers, and other skilled workers, which can help to boost the local economy. According to a report by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, the solar energy sector has been one of the fastest growing industries in the United States, creating jobs at a rate that is more than 12 times faster than the overall economy. Moreover, increasing government subsidies for solar panel installation can also help to reduce the carbon footprint and air pollution and improve public health. As solar energy is a clean and renewable energy source, it does not produce any greenhouse gases or pollutants. This means that increasing the adoption of solar energy can help to reduce the carbon footprint and air pollution, which can have a positive impact on public health. Studies have shown that air pollution can lead to a wide range of health problems, including respiratory diseases, heart disease, and cancer. By promoting the use of solar energy, governments can help to reduce the number of people affected by these diseases and improve the overall health of their citizens. Additionally, increasing government subsidies for solar panel installation can also help to increase energy security. As solar energy is a domestic energy source, it can help to reduce dependence on foreign oil and gas. This can be especially important for countries that are heavily dependent on fossil fuels, as they're often subject to price fluctuations and supply disruptions. By promoting the use of solar energy, governments can help to reduce dependence on foreign energy sources and increase energy security. By reducing the cost of installation, making solar energy more financially viable, and providing funding for research and development, governments can help to make solar energy more accessible and more attractive to a wide range of people. Additionally, by creating jobs in the solar energy sector, government subsidies can also help to boost the local economy. Furthermore, government subsidies for solar panel installation can also help to reduce the carbon footprint and air pollution, improve public health, and increase energy security. Government subsidies can also help the use of solar energy in developing countries. In many developing countries, the cost of electricity is high, and the grid infrastructure is often inadequate. However, subsidies can make solar energy more financially viable for homeowners and businesses in these countries to install solar energy systems. This can help to bring electricity to areas that are currently without it. and can also help to reduce dependence on fossil fuels in these countries. It can also help low-income homes to afford the cost of installing solar energy systems up front. However, with government subsidies, it can become more financially viable for these households to install solar energy systems. Through government subsidies, schools, hospitals, and other public buildings can get easy access to electricity. Many of these sectors can't afford the upfront cost of installing solar energy systems. However, with government subsidies, it can become more financially viable for these sectors to install solar energy systems. Government subsidies can also help to promote the use of solar energy in the transportation sector. The transportation sector is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and the use of solar energy in this sector can help reduce emissions. Government subsidies can help to make it more financially viable for transportation companies to switch to electric vehicles, which are rechargeable with solar energy. These will reduce dependence on fossil fuels in the transportation sector and reduce emissions. Government subsidies can increase the use of solar energy in the agricultural sector. This sector is a giant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and the use of solar energy in the sector can help to reduce these emissions. Government subsidies can help to make it more financially viable for farmers to install solar energy systems, which can be used to power irrigation systems, barns, and other agricultural buildings. This can help to reduce dependence on fossil fuels in the agricultural sector and reduce emissions. Overall, increasing government subsidies for solar panel installation can have many positive effects, including making solar energy more affordable and accessible, promoting the use of solar energy in rural and remote areas, in developing countries, in low-income households, in schools, hospitals, and other public buildings, in the transportation sector and agricultural sectors, creating jobs in the solar energy sector and reducing the carbon footprint and air pollution.